3, 2, 1. Whew. What's up, guys? So today I'm going to demonstrate a 5-minute intense ab workout. So if you guys are looking for the best ab workouts out there, try this one out and I can guarantee you're going to get a 6-pack in no time. So guys, let's jump right into this. Welcome to the ReggieBFitness. Like that? Yeah? Good. Damn! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Reggie B. So today's ab circuit is gonna blow your mind. So I picked out 10 exercises and we're gonna do them for 5 minutes straight without any breaks. If you need to take a break, I say it all the time, take a second and jump right back into it. Today is the first day of fall. So for a lot of you people out there, this is when the slacking starts because now the holidays are coming. No, we want to be shredded and cut and consistent all year round. We don't want to just wait until spring comes to try to get ready for summer. So guys, we're going to stay consistent. Let's jump right into this video. Let's get intense and burn that fat off those abs. So you guys ready? Let's get it. All right, guys, to start it off, 30 seconds, playing jump ins and outs. When you're doing this exercise, don't try to jump past and don't try to just slide. I want you to jump in and then jump right back out. Keep that core nice and tight. Mountain climbers. We're gonna keep them forward. Keep those knees up. Keep that core tight. Keep going, guys. Sitting ins and outs. Keep going. So when you go here, hold, in, out. That looks from the side, guys. Here, in. Side mountain climbers. So we're doing the forward ones, sideways. Hitting those obliques. Keep going, guys. Sitting leg raises. Here, up, up. Jump right back into it. Core nice and tight. 1. Shoulder taps. Flutters. Keep your core tight, guys. I know your core is burning. You gotta push yourself to the limit. plank to push up. Back into it. Russian twist. So go here. Keep that balance, keep the core. Nice and tight. And remember what I tell you all the time. You're gonna make sure you turn. Don't just use the arms. Last one, scissors. Almost there. 10 seconds left. 5, 3, 2, 1. Whew. There you have it, guys. There goes my video. I know your core is probably on fire right now. That's how you're gonna shred those pounds. That's how you're gonna get defined and get that six-pack that you guys have always been looking for. You have to grab different exercises, do them consistently back to back. Just like how you'll do cardio, you'll do exercises and you'll do a routine back to back that's gonna shred those pounds off. That's exactly how you're gonna do the same with the core. Pick exercises, do them back to back. Also guys, don't just use this as one round. So if you wanna push yourself even more to the limit, do about 2, 3 rounds. Take, as you did, the 5 minutes straight, take maybe a minute and a half break, jump right back into it and do 5 minutes again. Do that for maybe 3 rounds and keep consistent throughout the week, and I can guarantee you're gonna see that six-pack start coming in as soon as possible. So guys, remember, before we end this video, don't forget to hit that notification button so you know my next video comes out. It's your boy Reggie B. Like my video, subscribe to my video so your boy can be back. And if you do that, I'll be real proud of you. Metamorphosis complete.